everyone, welcome back to Clipping for Coupons with Allie. Right now I am just leaving Dollar Tree. They are getting ready to close in about 10 minutes, so I didn't have a whole lot of time to kind of go through Dollar Tree and pick the stuff that I wanted to show you guys. They were just bringing out some brand new stuff at my local Dollar Tree. Most of it looked like craft items, like the Crafter's Square items, which is great because it hasn't hit all stores yet, and I've been waiting for it at the store that has been closest to me. So I'm super excited. I'm in the car right now. I just left. I was not able to score any craft items. However, I did pick up some stickers, like stationery stuff. I also got some food items and just a few things that we needed around the house. They did have Clorox in stock, and they also had the 4-pack of the off-brand of toilet paper. My store still does not have any hand sanitizers or anything like that, but your store might, so keep checking if that is something that you are in need of. Right now, I've already left Dollar Tree. I'm planning on doing a video in just a little while, and I'm on my way to Stop and Shop. I know I haven't really been doing a lot of Stop and Shop deal videos, but I have been trying to stay out of the stores for the most part. But I am still doing my grocery shopping either with Peapod delivery, or I'm actually going into the store once or twice a week and I'm doing my own shopping. So I am still gaining gas points, and I was super surprised when I logged on this morning and I seen that I had 70 cents off per gallon, and I haven't had that much off per gallon in quite some time. So I was able to look up the Stop and Shop gas station that is about one town over from me, and they are still open. It's almost 8 o'clock at night right now. They're still open, so I'm going to go and I'm going to pump some gas, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, because one of the biggest questions that I get is, how do I use my Stop and Shop gas points? Here in Connecticut, we can use them at a Stop and Shop gas station, and we can also use them at Shell gas stations as well. I'm not sure if that is the same in every state, but it is definitely worth looking into, because I'm going one town over and I am using a little bit more gas than I would like, but I'm saving a ton, so it kind of all makes sense to me. And while I'm over here, I will stop at one other store. So we're gonna go to Stop and Shop gas station. We are on our way right now. I am about, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes away, and when I get there, what I'll do is I'm going to pick a pump, and then I will show the screen to you guys. I find that it's easier if I have my actual Stop and Shop card. I have one attached to my keychain, which seems to work out very conveniently. So it makes things go a little bit easier. I find some Stop and Shop gas stations don't have a person that you can walk up to in case there's, something wrong. So what I would suggest is make sure you have your payment option ready, which you can either use your debit or credit card. You can also pay with cash if you're using your gas points, so make sure you have that ready. And also make sure you have your Stop and Shop store card ready as well. And once you pull up to the pump, it's going to ask you to enter your card information, or you can actually scan it for your convenience. And I haven't had very many problems at the pump at all. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it and saying it out loud, I don't think that I've had any problems using Stop and Shop gas station points at all. So here we are getting ready to pull up now. I'm hoping that there's not a ton of people here, because I am always super shy when I have to record. I don't know why, but I do I do get a little shy. So here we are pulling up to Stop and Shop right now, and there's not a whole lot of people here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up. Let's see. Actually, most of them are closed right now. So I'm hoping that I can go to this one here. So the website says that they are closing at 8 o'clock and it's 7:54 right now. So I am going to try to get this done as soon as I can. I'm waiting for the person in front of me to finish, and while I'm waiting, I am putting on my gloves just so I can remain safe and I'm not touching anything. We are being super cautious with the coronavirus still. Things here in Connecticut are going to start to open up slowly around the 20th or the 21st, I believe. But I think that we're not quite ready yet. I live pretty close to the capital, and there seems to be still an increase in positive cases. People are getting discharged from the hospital and they are recovering, but we are still being super, super cautious. So I have my gloves on, and this is outside, so I'm not going to put my mask on, but if I were going into the store, I would definitely have my mask on as well. And I am very curious, where are you guys getting your masks from? Are you ordering the reusable or the disposable ones, or are you making them at home yourself? Do you know somebody who is making them? We were actually very grateful and thankful that the transplant team, they hooked us up with one box of masks, and we have been using that. It seems to be getting us by. We always use them more than once, and we take care of them in between. But I'm curious, where do you guys get your masks from? I know everybody is trying to stay safe, and here in Connecticut, you actually cannot go into a store unless you have a mask on. Gloves are not a, must-have yet, but masks are definitely. So here it is my turn. I'm pulling up to the pump, and let's go ahead and get ready to use our 70 cents off per gallon. Okay, so right here it says, do you have a Stop and Shop card? You're going to go over to the keypad and you're going to press yes. And then here on the screen it says swipe or scan your card. So this card right here. And you're going to look for the OK green light. Okay, go back to the screen here. It says please wait, and what we're going to do is we're going to redeem 70 cents off. And then we're going to go to our payment method. Okay, so I put my card in and all is well. Starting to pump now, and it's $1.59 per gallon for the plus. And that's all. And here there's a little sign. It says you must answer both yes and no questions to apply your discount. So just a reminder, the yes or no are these yes or no here. And here we go. Okay, so we pumped 12.5 gallons for $20.15. And that was using plus at $1.59, 70 cents off. And we're gonna dispose of our gloves. All right, guys, so we are just getting back in the car now, and as you can see, I pumped 12.5 gallons for just about $20. Not bad at all. Definitely a savings. I would have spent more money if I did not use my gas points and I went to another store. So definitely worth it. And now I'm getting ready to head home. I have to clean up after dinner, and I'm going to relax for a little while, and then I will definitely get that video recorded for you guys. It's not a huge haul, but it's definitely some things that I wanted, some things that I needed, and yeah, that is it. So, you guys, I hope this video was helpful. I don't usually come on here and talk, but this video is obviously a little bit different, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click that notification button so you do not miss out on a single video.